Hello, good afternoon, friends. This is Prasad Pandit. Welcomes you all to this Thursday live. I'm so happy and excited to be here as always, and welcomes you all to this special live streaming which we do on every Thursday at 1 p.m. So, कैसे हो आप लोग? I just wanted to get your feedbacks, your comments and everything. आपका जो हमेशा कमेंट्स आते हैं, प्यार आता है, उसके लिए हम वी आर वेरी थैंकफुल टू यू एंड आज का जो टॉपिक है वो जो हमारा जो न्यू चैप्टर हमने कपल ऑफ वीक से चालू किया है, दैट इज़ डिजिटल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप. तो उसके बारे में हम आज बात करने वाले हैं. सो डिजिटल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप क्या है, ये हमने लास्ट टू लास्ट वीक में देखा. लास्ट वीक में हमने देखा कि डिजिटल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप एंड एमएसआई मॉडल्स क्या है, कैसे है. एंड ये वीडियो में, ये लाइव सेशन में हम देखने वाले हैं कि व्हाट आर द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ बीइंग अ डिजिटल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप और बीइंग अ डिजिटल एंटरप्रेन्योर. सो इसके बारे में सबसे पहले जानने से पहले लेट्स वेट फॉर कपल ऑफ मिनट्स बिकॉज इट इज़ एग्जैक्टली 1 o'clock राइट नाउ. सो अनदर 1 minute वेट करेंगे, उसके बाद वी विल स्टार्ट अवर लाइव सेशंस. सो मीन टाइम देर आर कपल ऑफ अनाउंसमेंट्स जो कि हम हमेशा आपके लिए लाते हैं. So one of the announcement is that कि we are going and we are giving 30 minutes of free consultation to everyone who are needing the help from us. Yes guys, so we are offering 30 minutes of free consultation for personal clarity, personal development and then entrepreneurial development if you are facing any challenges, any issues and all the stuff. So अगर आपको उसके बारे में कुछ भी जानकारी लेनी है, किसी भी प्रकार की सहायता चाहिए, तो जस्ट मेल अस टू 5%hub@gmail.com and then we will be able to set the one-on-one appointment with you guys and then we will be having that free consultation for 30 minutes where you will be getting lot of clarity on everything whichever you are looking for. तो आप किसी भी प्रकार के प्रॉब्लम में हो, किसी भी प्रकार के सिचुएशन में स्टक हो, आपके पर्सनल लाइफ में, आपके बिजनेस करियर में, आपके जॉब करियर में, एनीवेयर, सो जस्ट फील फ्री टू टॉक टू अस बिकॉज आपको बात करने के लिए भी कोई होना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. आपका जो मन है उसको हल्का करने के लिए कोई तो चाहिए सुनने के लिए, और वही हम आज आपके लिए लेके आए हैं. तो वी आर हियर टू लिसन टू यू गाइज. सो बी फ्री एंड जस्ट राइट अस अ मेल, set this appointment. Lot of people actually they are getting benefit of this thing. We are actually conducting 3 to 4 live sessions every day with the people and lot of them are getting results out of this situation. And soon I'm just going to add another bonuses also to this live streaming and live 30 minutes consultation practices also. So just stay tuned for that also. So without wasting any more time, let's start with today's session. So understanding the benefits of digital entrepreneurship. So let's understand what is the digital entrepreneurship first. So basically becoming a business person, becoming a business owner on an online space is all about the digital entrepreneurship. So I'm requesting all the entrepreneurs who are existing right now in the market, if you are watching, stay tuned for the biggest announcement which is coming in within like 3 to 4 days to you regarding your business and taking your business online. So we are just working a lot on that thing. We are tying up with the big companies right now and we are just developing the system where we will be able to help you to get yourself online in an online space. तो आप कोई दुकानदार हो, आप कोई मर्चेंट हो, आप कोई इंश्योरेंस सेलर हो, आप कोई जो भी हो, इफ यू आर अ बिजनेस पर्सन, इफ यू आर entrepreneur and if you want to get on an online space, then we are going to definitely help you to do that. So stay tuned for the update. So we're coming back to the topic of benefits of digital entrepreneurship. So benefits में सबसे पहले तो हमारा benefit है that is you have 100% control over your business in this entrepreneurship or digital entrepreneurship. What I mean by 100% control. So बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि जब आप फिजिकली कोई बिजनेस करते हो, फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज़ में रहते हो, तो यू हैव पीपल इन्वॉल्व इन इट, राइट. So people can fail because people are having the emotions, they are having thoughts, so the mental stability is not always there. You have been experiencing these things from many times. So the performance of the person is like coming up and down. That is like a waving thing. So lekin when it comes to the systems, so systems never fail. If you set it rightly, it never fails, and it is like it gives you the result. So that is why it is 100% possible to control your business 100%. So in terms of generating the sales, in terms of driving the traffic to your product or your website, in terms of converting that traffic, in terms of having the track of sales, in terms of having the track of the finances, the expenses, everything can be possible, and 100% automation can be possible. That is what we teach to many people, and that is why the 100% control is possible. और अगर आपका बिजनेस के ऊपर आपका कंट्रोल नहीं है तो दैट इज़ नॉट योर बिजनेस. सो आपको अंडरस्टैंड करना पड़ेगा कि आपका जो बिजनेस है वो हमेशा, या तो आप जो भी जॉब करते हो जो भी है, आपका 100% उसके ऊपर कंट्रोल होना चाहिए. अगर आप जॉब करते हो तो डेफिनेटली आपके इनकम के ऊपर आपका कंट्रोल नहीं है, क्योंकि अगर बॉस ने बोल दिया कल से मत आओ तो आपको काम नहीं है. सो दैट इज द फैक्ट, एंड यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस फैक्ट ऑल्सो. सो डू समथिंग लाइक दैट which is having 100% control of yours, and that is the digital entrepreneurship. So even if you are doing the job, that is, I'm not saying you should quit the job, you should never do that, but simultaneously you have to start developing yourself, start developing your identity, your core thing on an internet space where the people will be following you, the people will be knowing you for some product or some service or for as you are. And that is what all the digital entrepreneurship is means. So first one is control on your business, 100% control. Then depending on the systems, because people fail, systems don't. That my mentor Vic always says that, and I truly believe in that, and I have been experiencing that from long time now. And then digital entrepreneurship is also very much easier, then cheaper, and the faster way to develop and establish your business on an online space. Yes guys, so it is, you don't require office space or office staff or employees, and you don't need to pay a rent, you don't need to pay salaries to them, because you are all yourself. You are taking the help of the softwares and the systems and the platforms to develop your business. So you really don't need extra hand or something. So even if you need some extra hand for creatives and कुछ मार्केटिंग फ्लायर्स बनाना है या वेबसाइट डेवलप करना है, तो यू कैन फ्रीलांस. आप किसी को फ्रीलांसिंग करने के लिए दे सकते हो. दैट पर्सन विल जो चार्ज यू समथिंग एंड देन ही विल डू द वर्क फॉर यू. तो इसी प्रकार से इट इज़ ऑलवेज ईजियर टू सेटअप द बिजनेस, बिकॉज आपको कोई कहाँ पे मार्केट में जाना नहीं है, कहाँ पे मार्केट में जाके आपको ये नहीं करना है, मार्केटिंग नहीं करनी है ऑन अ फिजिकल बेसिस आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. But what you have to do is coming on the platform, and then you just have to do everything on the digital platform. Then as I said, it is faster because आप कोई human intervention नहीं है उसमें. आपका बहुत सारा टाइम जो है, ट्रैवलिंग का टाइम हो गया, कनेक्टिंग विद द पीपल उनका टाइम हो गया, ये सब बच जाता है. एंड यू हैव लॉट ऑफ एक्टिविटीज टू बी डन विद इन द शॉर्ट स्पैन ऑफ टाइम. सो इट इज़ ईजियर, इट इज़ फास्टर, एंड इट इज़ चीपर ऑल्सो. क्योंकि वही मैं बोला कि आपको कुछ ज़्यादा एक्सपेंस करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. नो ऑफिस, नो एम्प्लॉयज़, नथिंग. सो नो ओवरहेड कॉस्ट बेसिकली. So this is what the benefits of digital entrepreneurship. Then it is very easy to create your identity, your character, your brand on this online space, because there are no boundaries to it, right? Because you can reach to as many people as you want. बेसिकली दैट इज़ द फैक्ट. सो आपका मार्केट जो है वो लिमिटेड नहीं रहता है. इट इज़ बिकॉज फिजिकल मार्केट में ऐसा होता है कि योर बाउंड्रीज इज अराउंड ओनली 3 to 5 मैक्सिमम 10 किलोमीटर्स. बट इन डिजिटल वर्ल्ड इट इज़ नेवर लाइक दैट. इट इज़ ऑलवेज नो वर्ल्ड इज़ द लिमिट. सो यू कैन हैव द क्लाइंट फ्रॉम ऑल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड. इट डिपेंडिंग ऑन द प्रोडक्ट. आपका प्रोडक्ट क्या है और आपकी सर्विस क्या है, उसके ऊपर ये सब डिपेंड होता है. सो दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ 100% easy, faster, cheaper, and this is how you can do your branding and everything, and you can establish your influence also, and by this influence you can reach to many people. You can generate the multiple source of income also with this. So I'll just give you example कि जैसे for example you are टॉकिंग ऑन समथिंग योर स्पेसिफिक एरिया, और उस एरिया में जब यू आर यू नो going to that certain limit, then you will be having that views and viewers and followers, and then you become an influencer. And once you become the influencer, then people start contacting you for the advertising for various products. So it is called like barter system or something what we can do off. And then you are just generating the multiple sources of income. So it is also very important or beneficial to be on a digital entrepreneurship journey, because you are actually can develop or create multiple sources of income. So I am experiencing that thing myself, क्योंकि जब मैंने ये जर्नी चालू की थी तो I just had like 2-3 things in my mind, and then now there are like the income sources are coming from wherever. I mean जहाँ पे मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था वहाँ से भी income sources आना चालू हो गया है. So people are asking me to come to their groups and their offices and give the motivational talks and speaks and motivate people. And then like I'm just on a YouTube, I'm on a Facebook, I'm on a Insta. So like my reach is growing and everything. So I'm just these are the opportunities to earn more and more money. So the same thing is for you guys. So digital entrepreneurship is a vast, is the ocean of opportunities. So never underestimate this digital entrepreneurship. And I recommend each and every one of you, let it be a school teacher, let you be a housewife, a student, working professional, a software, or any industry, doesn't matter. Everybody has something to give, that is 100% sure. And if you are ready to give, if you can identify what you can give and what you can give to world, and आपने एक बार वो understand कर दिया तो that is your life is very much in a straight position. This is how it is. So I'm just enjoying this journey. I'm helping you, a lot of people already to be on this journey and to help each other to grow and develop through 5% Hub. So this is the mission of ours, to help you develop your mindset and your entrepreneurial skills, and to start your entrepreneurial journey and to do more and better. So thank you so much for joining us live today. And this is all I just wanted to share about the benefits of digital entrepreneurship. So I'm just hoping that you should take your wise decision as soon as possible, because you have to take the decisions. The more you delay, the more hamper or harm it will make to you. So don't delay this. Just take the decision to be on a digital journey, because it is a need of the hour. It is 100% the need of the hour. It can fulfill all the dreams you have right now, which is never been fulfilled, or there are no hopes to fulfill whatever you're doing right now in that situation. So entrepreneurship, digital entrepreneurship basically is the ocean of opportunities, and I'm just learning a lot of things and developing a lot of systems around me and everything. So I will be helping you to do that also for myself. I'm learning great things from my mentor Vic, from my mentor Seth, from my mentor Tony Robbins. Right now the Tony Robbins comeback challenge is going on, so I'm participated in that comeback challenge. So that is like 7 days comeback challenge. Today is the day number 3, and I'm so much happy and excited that I'm just on that challenge. So these news opportunities are always coming on your way, and you grow yourself by growing others, giving others, and that is the way of happiness, as Tony Robbins says. So happiness formula is give plus grow is equal to happiness. So always remember that, and start your entrepreneurship journey, start your digital journey as soon as possible. So I'll see you guys around. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe to 5% Hub. If you are not in our Facebook private group, then please join us at the 5% Digital Tribe. It is like hilarious things are happening over there, and I'm just so much happy to welcome you over there. So please join us at a 5% Digital Tribe on a Facebook group. The link is also given in the description below, so you can join us, and I'll see you around. So take care everybody, and see you around. Bye.